Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make flavorful, spicy salmon bowls. My spicy salmon bowls are incredibly easy to make and it's bursting with flavor. Tender flaky salmon is combined with pickled cucumbers, steamed rice, and it's drizzled with the most delicious Sriracha Mayo. So let's get started. For the salmon, to give it some extra flavor, I'm going to bake it with a soy sauce honey mixture. So we are gonna need 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and I'm gonna stir in 2 tablespoons of honey. And this is just gonna give it like a salty, sweet flavor. And I'm just gonna mix this so that it's nice and combined. All right, that's done. So for the Sriracha Mayo, basically all it is mayo. I have a 1/2 cup of mayo, and I'm gonna need 2 tablespoons of Sriracha. I kind of had a hard time finding Sriracha. I don't know, there was like a shortage, but hopefully it's at the grocery stores now. I know my neighbor was able to find one and she got one for me. And I know it's also available online. Actually, I was wrong. We're gonna need 3 tablespoons of Sriracha. It is called spicy salmon bowls, so we want a nice kick to this. And I'm gonna mix everything until it's well combined. And of course, you can adjust this to your liking. If you don't like as much heat, don't add so much Sriracha. If you like more, add more Sriracha. And I really just love this sauce. We put it in our burgers, we use it to dip like chicken tenders, French fries. It's the best. In a baking dish, I have 1.5 pounds of salmon fillet, and I sliced it into 4 portions. And I'm gonna give it a light seasoning of some salt and pepper. I'm gonna flip them over and season the other side, and I also remove the skin. I'm also going to sprinkle over some garlic powder. Now I'm going to evenly distribute the soy sauce and honey mixture all over the salmon. You want to make sure that every surface area of the salmon is evenly coated. When I was filming this video, some of the videos had accidentally gotten erased, but thank goodness I had some videos of me assembling the salmon bowls on my phone for a reel. And I've included them at the end to show you guys how I put everything together. So make sure to watch until the end. Now I'm going to give everything a smear of the Sriracha Mayo. And honestly, all these flavors put together, including the pickled cucumbers, is a flavor bomb. Well, that's what my hubby said. I'm going to spread the Sriracha Mayo evenly over the top, and I'm ready to bake these salmon fillets. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees, and I'm gonna bake these up for about 15 to 17 minutes until the salmon is cut through. So now that our pickling mixture is nice and dissolved, I'm gonna go ahead and slice the cucumbers. So here I have 2 English cucumbers, but you could use regular cucumbers. I just like to use this because the skin is nice and thin and I don't have to peel it. So I'm gonna slice them up nice and thin. Since the pickling mixture video got erased, I'm going to tell you guys how to make it. In a bowl, combine 1/3 cup of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And you're going to microwave it for 2 minutes so that the sugar and the salt dissolves in the liquid. Now that our cucumbers are nice and sliced, I'm going to go ahead and combine it with the pickling mixture. Also, I forgot to add, you want to stir this occasionally while our salmon is baking, because you want that vinegar flavor to be well distributed. The cucumbers don't take that long at all to pickle. You want to do this right before you bake the salmon so that when your salmon is done, your cucumbers are done. Our salmon is done baking in the oven and it looks so good, you guys. We are ready to assemble our bowls. But before I do that, I'm just gonna spoon over some of the delicious honey soy sauce over the top. And like I mentioned, these vertical videos are from a reel. But you want to place a scoop of cooked rice onto the bottom of a bowl, and you want to lay a salmon fillet on top. I'm going to add in a little more of that honey soy sauce and sprinkle in the pickled cucumbers. And lastly, I'm going to give everything a drizzle with a creamy Sriracha Mayo. And oh my goodness, this dish was so flavorful. I hope you guys try it out. And for fun, I added a little bit of sesame seeds. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.